Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for this Tuesday, May 8th. Overnight trade, trying to recover from yesterday's crash and burn to a degree, be it that trade talk uncertainty and or we're planting the crop, or talking about the U.S. dollar, giving a little bit of a bonus to the South American farmers as far as maybe moving some of their grain, or the commitment of Treasury report. Nonetheless, like I said, we crashed and burned yesterday and we're trying to recover a little bit here today. Wheat prices are pretty much unchanged. Corn's up a penny, beans are up around 5 cents. And then we're also correcting what was in a little bit of a mini trend in here, meal losing to oil. The meal's up in the overnight trade around $2, the oil down around 10 points. Surprisingly, however, when I was working lower yesterday in the commitment Treasury report showing that the trades in that long corn and beans open interest actually went up yesterday, so it really didn't reflect liquidation. Open interest was down in the soft red winter wheat, which didn't really reflect new shorts coming into the market or back re-adding to their net short position. But both the meal and the oil, open interest was down on the prelim, suggesting that at least there was some liquidation in the meal oil spread. Other than that, we had our weekly exports out yesterday. Those are continuing to run behind a year ago or behind what the USDA is currently forecasting. We also had our crop progress numbers come on out yesterday. Both the corn and the spring wheat is running a little bit behind average. The beans are actually at average or a little bit ahead. The northern states of the Midwest are the ones that are running behind, and it looks like we're going to continue to have stop-and-go rains, keeping the planters stopping and going, so we'll continue to monitor that. The USDA will be out on Thursday with their monthly report. As I said, there's two unique things with it, at least one, that being the new crop supply and demand tables. But the other thing that the USDA is going to do as well, that they're going to still keep China in the mix as far as showing their supply and demand tables for corn and wheat, but they're also going to take them also away from the rest of the world to maybe better reflect that the Chinese basically hold on and use their corn and wheat domestically, and they're not part of the big picture. So those numbers may be looking a little bit more supportive when we omit them as far as world S&Ds go. Other than that, we're just, like I say, continuing to monitor the weather and or awaiting the USDA report. It looks like this morning we're going to at least try and lick our wounds from yesterday's trade as we work our way to the USDA report, political influences aside. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.